For more than 70 years, our story began in Syria, a family legacy in producing tahini and halva. Today, we proudly continue this journey from Turkey, in a modern facility that combines traditional expertise with advanced technology. At Family Food, everything starts from the source, selecting the finest natural sesame seeds, carefully cleaning, roasting, and grinding them to create premium quality tahini with a perfectly balanced texture and an authentic flavor. From our tahini comes the creation of our signature halva, in exquisite varieties: plain, pistachio, and hazelnut. Crafted with generations of experience and packaged with care to preserve its original taste and freshness. As for our extra virgin olive oil, it is extracted from the finest olives and refined using modern filtration technology to maintain its natural purity and rich nutritional value. Each bottle and tin is filled with the true essence of genuine olive oil. We operate under precise production systems and global standards, holding the ISO 9001 quality certificate and registration with the US Food and Drug Administration, along with European conformity certificates and recognition from the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, affirming our commitment to quality and trust. Today, our products reach more than 20 countries worldwide through our distribution centers in Turkey and abroad, making Family Food a name that stands for experience, quality, and excellence in every product. Family Food, a heritage of craftsmanship and quality that reaches the world.